Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sign up for YouTube TV. First, navigate to the official YouTube TV website or launch the application on your preferred device. Look for the prominent Try Free or Start Free Trial button and click it to initiate your sign-up journey. Remember, a Google account is essential for this step, so ensure you have one ready or take a moment to create a new one if needed. This initial step is quick and straightforward. After logging in with your Google account, you'll be presented with the various YouTube TV base plans. Take a moment to carefully review the channels included in each option to find the best fit for your viewing preferences. You can also explore a wide array of optional add-ons, such as premium movie channels or specialized sports packages, to customize your experience further. Once you've made your choices, simply confirm your selection to move forward. Now it's time to enter your payment details. You can typically use a major credit card or a PayPal account for this step. It's important to remember that you will not be charged immediately. Your billing will only commence after your free trial period concludes, which is usually around 7 to 14 days. Please take a moment to carefully double-check all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy before submitting. You're almost there. The final step involves reviewing your entire order. This includes your selected base plan, any premium add-ons you've chosen, and the total monthly cost after your free trial. Once you're satisfied with everything, click the Confirm Subscription button to finalize your sign-up. Congratulations! You can now immediately begin enjoying a vast array of live television and on-demand content on up to 3 simultaneous streams.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.